In this video, we're going to learn about question tags. Now, the basic rule when it comes to question tags is positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. The second thing that you need to watch out for is the verbs in the context, right? So whatever the verb comes in the statement, mirror the same verb in the question tag as well. Now what happens if you don't have an auxiliary verb or a helping verb? Then you use do and its variations. Didn't, don't, did, right? So let's apply this learning and learn to identify errors pertaining to question tags through some example sentences. Our first example, you will come to my party, isn't it? Right? Now the verb that we have here in this context in the first part is will. You will come to my party. So this is a positive statement, so which means I need a negative question tag. You will come to my party, right? So the negative of will is will not, right? Will you not, correct? So how do I change isn't it to replace and make sure we have the same verb followed in the question tag as well? We understand that the error is an option 4, right? So let's go ahead and make that change. So you will come to my party, won't you? Right? That's the answer that we have. So the error is in option 4, part 4, and we've made the change. We've applied the same verb in the question tag as well, but in the negative context because the statement is positive. Let's move on to our next example. She sang very well, isn't it? Right? Now if you notice, I have the subject, but I don't have any helping verb. It doesn't say she did sing very well, right? I have the base verb, sang, and it's the past tense verb, it's the second verb, it's not the base verb, but she sang very well. And then again it says, isn't it? I have to ensure, remember I said if there are no helping verbs, then you automatically fall on the helping verb do, right? So she sang very well. Again, we have to bring in the subject. It's not it, we're talking about this girl, she, right? So let's go ahead and make that change. The error again is in part 3. She sang very well, didn't she? Are you following? Right? So we've applied one other rule that we looked at. When there is no helping verb, the verb that you will feed in will be do. Let's move on to our next example. Sheila has scored a first class in her final exams, isn't it? This is a pretty easy one again. Sheila has scored a first class in her final exams. Positive statements. I need a negative question tag, but I also need to use the verb has. Right? We're going to use the same verb in our question tag as well. Error is in part 4. Let's go ahead and make that change. There you go. Sheila scored first class in the final exams, hasn't she? So that's question tags for you. Points to remember. Remember the basic rule. Positive statement, negative question tag. Negative statement, positive question tag. 2. Mirror the verbs with the statement and the question tag. 3. If there is no helping or auxiliary verb, then use do and its variation. And 4th one, also make sure you're aware of the exceptions. So that's question tags. Let's move to our next component in finding errors.